Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Allow me to deliver my Africa statement in either Itaukei language. Tio sana turanga Speaker. Tio sana turanga na ilunduni matentuna turanga Prime Minister. Tio sana ibu ni Prime Minister. Tio sana ilunduni tuan besanga. Tio sana leoni boslaw. Mandur sana lo manibol dimbos na sinindai me wa madalata kana be ka na buta ketiki butaka kata na tamba kata Itaukei ang baleta no non rukai pakai labo na Itaukei ni ambul na itukutu ko na daura katiko na kabe na ganda indai sana sama tali de makina non rakawai na leweni toni be sanga ra bagai tabi sakati ko na noa na buku ni non rapositio na turanga na Italai na minister ni ka Itaukei na ngole New Zealand na hasil sa kana no mina vena una saoti me ato mai ndai na boleh lewe staba na Itaukei ni ombula akena bagai labotaki sanga mera bagabu business eno non ra ombula katara dagi kina nambula ni Itaukei nangonongo sera sengati unga ni rawani solia na bibu ka bagai labo na bimbange ke na bitambani bagai labo eso na buku ni ririko etiko na kena soli na labo na ririko sa kongori e baga bunetiko na nona sengania do tiko na tubuka ni bibu ka toro daketaki ke na rawa ka bagai labo na bono sa gobiti na auna taura kina na ulu ni belutaki na matenitu da bata sa tigabu me bakasangara eso na iwale matau me walia kina na lenga rasu tabati ko na Itaukei ni ombula kabaka tututaka na iwale ni bebu ke bakai labo me tarai dake na ombula kabueta talenga na ituba ki non rembula na Itaukei sama ni lutu na mandingi kina tambada ka Itaukei me baka deu da baka nai wale matau me baka muri karaida botukana ni sanga sakongo mani kadia bana tamba da Itaukei na bagi saoti na isebu ni non rambo sebata na mata ni ombula eno non da bonua sangai baka tututaki mai na mbose ongori mendua na non rambange Itaukei ni ombula sama ni ngai vitala nota kitalanga na National Economic Summit abakandonia na mbose lebo bakaturanga ngarabi sa maimbau sangai bakandonia na mboseado ngarabi na bakandindike e bakanditaka ndrawani bakabutukana taki na bakatutu mendua na nonrombange na Itaukei ni ambul turanga sa na Speaker tambada ka Itaukei sangai baka ndanda muria na nonrai wale ni ngarabi na nondangase na daga ni sole baki abakatoka itiko na sole baki framework mani daga na sanga ongo tambada ka Itaukei amatambose ningale maruroi amatambose ni labo maruroi ni Itaukei matambose ni beka ba Itaukei amatambose ni labo ni Itaukei na Fijian Holdings Limited koroni buli be bagarauta ki mena tabe kena bali bola ni beitaro ni bonua kena waini ngoli abaka rautaki na ibota bagai labo endona nrono $1 ina tambada ka ni Itaukei amani bangole isara beruto na FHL se Fijian Holding mertungara bana bandindike so na itabi vina ka misolinga bira na kenanda umerangaraba ka matanataki kina na daga ni sole baki sangaraba vina kana FHL se Fijian Holdings na bandindike membaleta na kena banduri endo nambange Itaukei ni ombula kena baganduri na bisnis ni silalai se MSME na itu bango ito kana bagalibu na mbose lebu bagaturanga na matambose beka baka Itaukei ni ombula kena matani tongo me bukaya na baganduri bisnis na tarai dake ni ombula tongara na daga ni bagandindike ongo na NWX Business Solution karoto bagandita kan raw ni baganduri endua nambange me tangawa na non nganga bagai labo na Itaukei ni ombula kena baganduri na bisnis lalai endua na bagatutu kena ripoto ia me service Itaukei na merchant finance me wakarautaka na vevu ke wakailavu me paleta na ina ki ongo merchant finance me teke vu taka na wakatutu na wakarautaki na ituba me vevu ke wakailavu me venganiti ke na kaukau ani mbula wakailavu tara situ kina na Itaukei ni ombula sa wakandike bioti ni sarao ni sotava na tambana wakailavu na ririko ngo ke na wale matau me wali na ririko wakailavu ngo sa wakamatalaki wakavinaka tu na ripoti FHL toko na ituba ni matentu ana vevuke na kena taraida ke na non rawa ka wakailavu na Itaukei ni ombula ke ira na via wakanduri bisnisi na MSMEs na ituba ngo salawata saranga ke na ina tau ya bukina na FHL ya me wakalevutaka na bisnisi ni Itaukei na wakatutu na ripote na ngai leviti ina bose ado me vitalo notaka wakatule wataka na ituba taka tiko talanga na wakatutu na vanua me tuwai koya kina wakamatau na matanitu me wakana kena toa wakarautaki ndua na tombu ni vevu ke wakailavu sana credit enhancement scheme kena vanua me budini kina na wakanduri bisnisi sana incubator accelerator training facilities torangan speaker ngo na matangali tuba ni vevu katora takataki na vesa utaka wakandua mbutu rara ni didi waki bisnisi kabueta na rauka wakailavu ni Itaukei eviti pinakasawali
Naka. And I now call on the Minister for Itaukei Affairs and Culture, Heritage and Arts, the Honorable Ephraim Vasu, for his response. I am reminded of Dorothy Dixie. Probably doesn't know.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank Honorable Tuwailevu for briefing the House about the resource owners and MSME Investment Bank now being implemented by Fijian Holdings Limited through merchant finance. The objective of the establishment of the Resource Owners and SME Investment Bank in Fiji is to significantly increase the wealth and participations of Itaukei and resource owners in economic activities. Mr. Speaker, INVEX was engaged in September 2023, and the final version of the report was endorsed by FHL board at the end of March this year. It has since been presented to me and as alluded to by the Honorable Tuwailevu, I will submit the report to Cabinet. Mr. Speaker, the conclusion of the feasibility studies is that there is a strong case for the resource owners and a MSME Investment Bank, and that Merchant Finance Limited is the right vehicle to set up a new resource owners and MSME dedicated divisions to achieve the objectives of significantly increasing the wealth and participations of Itaukei and resource owners in economic activities. Mr. Speaker, aligned to the feasibility studies, Merchant Finance have started the implementations of the dedicated resource owners division with the creations of a new team called Vanua Finance. The sole purpose of this team is making finance accessible to more Itaukei and resource owners' businesses. Merchant finance have also started their focus on the MSME by creating a new gender-based financing team called the Marama Finance. The sole purpose of this team is to make financing more accessible to women-owned businesses. Mr. Speaker, the Vanua Finance team will be fully operational in June 2024 and will start off by using existing merchant finance products to serve resource owners. New products, especially for resource owners, will be rolled out to the market over the next 3 to 6 months. To manage the resource owners' current demand for financing, merchant finance have already started focusing on resource owners, especially those planning to do land subdivision and have built a strong portfolio. The list is expected to grow as the Vanua Finance team spends more time with the resource owners. Merchant Finance has approved funding for 3 subdivision projects in the last month and more to be approved in the coming month. The Marama Finance team will be fully operational in June 2024. More gender-specific products will be rolled out to the market over the next 3 to 6 months. Mr. Speaker, holistic approach is required to improve the livelihood of success for SMSE and resource owners' business. Capacity building is one aspect, and we also need to address monitoring and reporting functions. The Provincial Council Office, through the Rokotui, the Matanitikinas, and the Turanganikoro, will be tasked with additional responsibilities of monitoring and reporting of Itaukei and resource owners' businesses in their own districts. CATD Nandave will be enhanced to provide capacity buildings for resource owners running businesses and also for the provincial office and their delegates. Mr. Speaker, the review of the Itaukei administrations, which has commended, will ensure that the appropriate infrastructure is put in place for them. Mr. Speaker, to conclude, and as alluded by the Honourable Tuwailevu, our sole Solevaki framework ensures that the public and private sector collaborates. And we will continue to embed this in our work because we need to improve the economic contributions of the Itaukei to our national economy. Mr. Speaker.
Honourable members, I now call on the Honourable Rene Sharma.